This is a company called AsWonist. It's a 6500 Kelvin, 10,000 watt, 3,500 square foot with 4 percentage levels, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And we're going to show you what the street light looks like hung up. As we unbox it to show you how nicely they are protected inside. Foam all around the instruction guide and remote control, up 25 feet or more. You control the light and its sensor. The solar street lamp is a 10,000 watt unit with 800 LED beads. We have the on switch, the charging area 6 to 8 hours, and over 8 to 12 hours of runtime. On the back of the unit is your solar array panel to collect the sun. 6 to 8 hours of fully charged, IP66 rated. We have 2 brackets, one that goes on the solar array panel, the lighting, with the supported pole with extra strength that slides in with the bolts, and to a pole or wall with optional lag bolts for wooden areas or concrete that are given in the kit. Securing down the base pole is placing a washer on, the bracket over, locking down in each of the 4 holes. With a nut, place on and lock down. It slides into the whole area and you can screw down with an optional wrench. In one of the package, we have a handy little open wrench. We have the 4-inch bolts to hang on a pole, up to 28-foot poles. You can hang this 10 to 15 feet high. Tighten down when the pole is on. Anchor mounts for concrete are given. We're going to test out our light by covering the solar array panel, turning on the light lights up. We have an off switch, an on switch. We have 25, 50, 75, and 100%. We have mode number 1, and we have mode number 2. The blinking tells you which mode. We have a 3, 4, and 5 hour timer. This is what the remote control looks like. As we hit mode number 1 first, walk away from the light. After 30 seconds, the light dims down about 15–30%. As we walk near the light, as you can see, the light adjusts. We'll repeat for mode number 2. The light shuts 100% off. Motion, it turns on 100%. To set up for the duration of 25%, hit the auto, dusk to dawn, 25%. The light will stay lit as soon as it gets dark and shuts off as soon as it gets light, and repeat for that particular mode and setting. What we're going to do is demonstrate outside in the front and show you what the light looks like in the evening hours. As we climb and find a position for our pole, we're going to hang it up right over here. And what we do is we place it on carefully. And we want to slide it to where it meets over here. We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what the light looks like. This is the street lamp, 10,000 watts. And what we have here is 6,500 Kelvin on 100%. We'll turn it down to 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. And we'll turn it on to one of the modes. As we sit here for 30 seconds till it dims down or shuts off, and when it detects motion with the PIR sensor, it will light back up. As we walk in the area, it will trigger and go on, the PIR sensor. And there's the PIR sensor triggering for 100%. As we set up for the 100% and 0% being off in mode 2, as we walk into the PIR sensor of the range, the light will light up. It dims down in the off and into the trigger sensor after a number of seconds. As you walk and get into its range, it will light up. This is a no false trigger system. We have 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, setting it up for dusk to dawn. I hope you enjoy your street lamp. 10,000 watts, 6,500 Kelvin, 6 to 8 hours of charge time, 8 to 12 hours minimum of runtime. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.